Right, how to make mulled wine? Well, the first thing you're going to need is a bottle of red wine. You don't need to go to the supermarket and buy the most expensive brand of red wine they've got. This is so cheap it actually cost us nothing because this is homemade wine. Bottled in March 2014, so nearly 11 years ago, so it's time it was used. It's time it was used up. Now the other ingredients you need for mulled wine: half an orange sliced, 4 tablespoonfuls of caster sugar, and then here we've got 2 star anise, the zest of 1 lemon, 4 or 5 cloves, and a teaspoonful of ground cinnamon. If you can get cinnamon sticks, that's better. So next thing to do is put all of this into a large pan. Then put the pan onto the cooker, give it a stir to get that cinnamon nicely mixed up, and then apply low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and leave it to stand. It's been standing for about 15 minutes now, so it's had time for the different flavours to infuse. And we're going to put the heat back under it now, just bring it back up to a gradual warm temperature, at which point it'll be ready for drinking. We've reheated the wine for about 15 minutes on a low temperature, and here we have it. And ooh, yeah, not bad.